my name is Leah and I'm from the Public Relations Department of AudaCity Capital. We're just meeting with some of our traders to find out more about their journey in the business and the industry, and just to hear about them and their experience from start to now. So the first question I just have to ask you is just tell me a bit about yourself, just introduce yourself, and then we'll go from there.
I'm Prosper. I'm from Ghana, and I'm a mining engineer by profession. So that's what I do for a living. I do trading on part-time.
Okay, so what experience do you have in trading, or how did you get into trading or business?
Yeah, I got into trading when I was in the university. Whilst I was still studying, I went for training in Germany, where someone introduced me to trading. So I started doing it, learning on my own, because I didn't have anybody to even ask him or her about what trading is all about. So I started online, started reading, watching videos and stuff like that. And that was back in 2008.
Oh, so you've been trading for quite a while now.
Yes, but then I do it, then leave it. I burn money, then I have to go back several months, maybe a year. I don't trade, and later I'll come back again and all that. So it hasn't been consistent, but it has been on and off. Also, because I am not a full-time trader, I don't have much time for trading.
Yeah, I see what you mean. So have you got like a trading strategy that works for you, or have you had any success with trading, or a certain method that you know works, or anything like that?
Yeah, the only method I know and that actually has worked for me is just following the trend and using price action. I only use price action. That is it. Only price action. So you realize that I don't trade often, but when I come and the conditions are right, I trade. So only price action.
Yeah.
I don't have any complex indicators. I just the price. The price shows me the direction to go. That's all.
Yeah. And so what program are you doing with AudaCity Capital? Are you doing the funded trader program?
Sure, funded trader.
Yeah, so how long have you been doing that for, or been in contact with AudaCity Capital? Because some people have been in contact with us for a long time. Some people are just starting out, and we'd just like to hear your experience as a trader with AudaCity Capital.
I joined on the 12th June. 12th June. Yeah, actually got funded on 12th June, and I was funded with $15,000, and on the 27th July, I made my 10%. So my account was doubled to 30,000. So that is it. So roughly about from 12 June to now, 12 July, 12 August, so about 2 months.
That's great. That's great that you've hit the 10. That's very good. I'm very glad. So have you had any, I know you said you only trade part-time, but have you had, is there any difficult days you've had with trading, days that haven't went so well, and have you done anything to overcome that, again with the strategies, maybe it was a big loss or a big win? Do you have any experiences like that?
Sure, a lot. um, because of my style of trading, when I come to trade and I try maybe some few pairs and I don't make it. I mean, I just read it off and then I go away because I don't want to continue to make more mistakes. But like I said, I don't rely on any indicators. Just use the price action. Once I feel the price is not working the way it should work for me, I leave. But I have lost a lot of money in the past. A lot.
Yeah, that seems to be the case with most people, that they lose the money but then they end up building it back up. I think that's just the process of being a trader, I think.
So far with AudaCity Capital, with the rules, restrictions, I think it's keeping me in check to make sure that I don't overtrade. You know, sometimes with your own money you are tempted to risk too much, but with these restrictions, at least when I think it's a bad day, I say, okay, today is not good. Let me go and come back another day. So I think it's fine. It's okay.
Yeah, definitely. Is there any other ways that, or any other things you like about AudaCity Capital and the funded trader program, just for advice for future traders who might want to come to us and want some more information or a bit hesitant to go into a funded trader program? Do you have any advice for them?
Personally, over the years, it's not as if my strategies had not worked. They had actually worked. The problem was with capital, because with little capital, when you are even winning, the tendency that you do higher leverage to make more money is there. And so you become too greedy. And so my problem was with having to have enough capital, then I can actually follow some risk management. And I know anything I'm getting, no matter how small, will be significant. So to me, getting a big capital was something I was looking for. And as soon as I had this opportunity, I said, wow, that's great, because if I can spend 1 hour to make, let's say, $500, I think it is great. It is excellent. But with the same 1 hour with a smaller account, I would make maybe $20, $30, and that I will not appreciate that. So it doesn't motivate me enough to trade. But with bigger capital, any small amount I make is still big money.
Yeah.
So I think psychologically, that is what I was looking for, in order to give me a motivation to sit down and then look for opportunities to trade. So
yeah, exactly. I agree with you.
So those who are coming in and from where I came from, I think the most important thing is getting the capital to work with the capital, and then you having not to worry about where to get the money from, where to raise. You know, a whole lot of the headache has been taken away. What you are left with is just to get some good strategies. And hey, I mean, every day cannot be a good day. You come and it's not a good day, you say, okay, you agree, the markets have won. So you move on.
Yeah, exactly.
You come back, yeah. So I think for new people, it's a good program. It helps you to actually master your strategy.